Provence, airport information, Echo 0531 Zulu. Wind 080 and 22, visibility greater than 20 miles. Sky condition, clear. Temperature 4.-3. Altimeter 2962, ILS. Runway 14 left and visual. Runway 14 right.
Okay, let's start with the cockpit preparation checklist.
Batteries.
Both on.
Electrical power.
APU on.
Navigation lights.
On.
Engine master.
Both off.
Engine mode selector.
Checked. Normal.
Landing gear lever.
Checked.
Parking brake.
Off.
Flaps.
Checked. Position.
Speed brake lever.
Checked. Retracted.
Thrust levers.
Idle.
Transponder mode.
Checked. Standby.
Radio control panel.
On.
ECAM recall.
Checked.
Anti-skid.
On.
Flight director.
On.
Emergency lights.
Checked and armed.
No smoking signs.
On.
Anti-ice.
Off.
Fob window heat.
Auto.
Air condition.
Checked.
Ventilation panel.
Is checked.
Electric panel.
Checked.
Fuel pumps.
On.
Hydraulics.
Is checked.
Active brake pressure.
Checked.
Ground proximity warning system.
On.
Electronic flight control system.
On.
ADS.
Checked.
Emergency equipment.
Is checked.
Checklist complete.
Clearance delivery, Speedbird 4200. Our parking position is Terminal 1 Gate Alpha 1 with the information request clearance. Speedbird 4200. Roger, departing. Runway 13 left. Clear to FLMN. Airport, fly runway heading. Maintain flight level 70. Expect flight level 140 within 10 minutes. Departure frequency is 128.6. Squawk 6512 QNH 1006. Clear to FLMN. Runway heading. Climb and maintain flight level 70. Flight level 140 within 10 minutes after departure. Departure on 128.6. Squawk 6512. Speedbird 4200. Speedbird 4200. Read back correct. Contact ground on 119.07. Roger 119.07. Speedbird 4200.
Okay, let's do the before start checklist.
Windows and doors.
Closed and locked.
APU.
APU on.
APU bleed.
On.
External power.
Disconnected and off.
Cabin signs.
On.
Thrust levers.
Idle.
Parking brake.
On.
Barrow reference.
Checked. 1003.
1003. Check. Beacon lights.
Set on.
Checklist complete.
Ground Speedbird 4200. Request startup and pushback.
Speedbird 4200. Contact ground on 119.07.
119.07. Speedbird 4200. Ground Speedbird 4200. Request startup and pushback.
Speedbird 4200. Startup is approved.
Roger. Speedbird 4200.
Hello, Captain. We are ready for pushback. Locking gear. Departure check completed. Lights commencing pushing. All engines clear. Start that wheel.
Starting engine number 2.
Ground. Texas Echo Charlie Tango Charlie Pima. Request taxi parking. Texas Echo Charlie Tango Charlie Pima. Taxi General Aviation parking. Using taxiway Foxtrot 7 Echo 7 Delta 7 Charlie 7 Charlie 6 Charlie 5 Charlie 4. Taxi General Aviation parking. Via taxiway Foxtrot 7 Echo 7 Delta 7 Charlie 7 Charlie 6
Ladies
Charlie
and
5
gentlemen,
Charlie 4.
please pay attention as we display the safety features and procedures of the aircraft in case of an emergency. During an emergency, please remain in your seats with your seatbelts fastened and your seats in an upright position. In case of a drop in cabin pressure, breathing masks will drop from the ceiling and should be placed over your head. If there is smoke in the cabin during the evacuation of the aircraft, the walkway emergency lights will direct you to the exits, which are located here and here.
Engine 2
In
stabilized.
case of an extreme emergency landing, you will be instructed to get
Starting
into the
number
brake
1.
position, which is executed by placing
Set parking brake. disconnected. Flight knots may remove. Left is clear. Right is clear.
Ground speed bird 4200, request taxi.
Speedbird 4200, taxi via Golf 5 Charlie 1 to runway 13 left.
Via Golf 5 Charlie 1 to runway 13 left. Speed bird 4200.
The after start checklist.
Engine mode selector.
Set.
APU bleed.
Set off.
APU master.
Set off.
Transpilers.
Set.
Rudder trim.
Checked 0.
Pitch trim.
Set.
Flight controls.
Full left. Full right. Neutral. Full up. Full down. Neutral.
Check. Flaps.
Flaps 2.
Anti-ice.
Off.
ECAM status.
Checked.
ECAM door page.
Checked.
Hand signal.
Received.
Checklist complete.
Ground 200, request taxi.
2006, taxi via Charlie 1 to runway 14 left.
Taxi to runway 14 left via Charlie 1 2006.
Contact tower on 118.375 when ready.
Taxi to and hold short runway 14 left via taxiway Bravo 3 Charlie 2 Charlie 1 Pacifica 2006.
Pacifica 2006, hold position. Caution other traffic.
Hold position Pacifica 2006.
Pacifica 2006, continue taxi.
Roger, Pacifica 2006.
And the taxi checklist.
Nose light.
Set on.
Brake check.
Pedal pressed. Checked 0.
Check. Auto brakes.
Max.
Takeoff data.
Reviewed.
FCU.
Checked.
Flight instruments.
Checked.
Check. TO config.
Set.
Checklist complete.
All ground, orbit 209er, IFR to Gatwick, ready to copy. Orbit 209er is cleared to Gatwick Airport and filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 6,000. Departure frequency is 131.225, squawk 7747. Orbit 209er, cleared to Gatwick Airport as filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 6,000. Departure on 131.225, squawk 7747. Orbit 209er. All ground, orbit 20, Charlie 1, orbit 209er.
Bird 4200 at runway 13 left. Request takeoff.
Speed runway
4200, line up runway 13 left.
Lining up runway 13 left. Speed bird 4200.
Cleared for takeoff. Runway 14 left. Certificate.
On runway 14 left.
Speedbird 4200, wind 33021, runway 13 left, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff. Runway 13 left. Speed bird 4200.
knots.
Checked.
V1, rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Navigation.
Check.
Departure speed bird 4200, passing 700 for flight
Gear is
level
up.
70.
Speedbird 4200, turns heading 135, climb to flight level 70.
Heading 135, climbing to flight level
Autopilot
70.
is going on.
Speed bird 4200.
Climb thrust. Flaps 1.
Spin check. Flaps 1.
And flap 0.
Spin check. Flap 0.
And the after takeoff checklist.
Engine mode selector.
Checked. Normal.
Spoilers.
Disarmed.
Flaps.
Checked. Retracted.
Landing gear.
Gear up. Lights off.
Exterior lights.
Climb and maintain
off.
flight level 140. Continue
both
home
on.
navigation.
API.
Left
Off.
turn, heading 0,
Okay.
0, climb and maintain
Checked.
flight level
Altimeter.
140. Continue on.
0,
Speed bird
0,
4200.
1003.
1100,
Checklist.
identified, descend to 4000. Descend into 4000, 1100. 2006, climb to flight level 50.
Climbing to flight level 502006.
Transition altitude.
Barrow reference. Set and cross-checked.
Check.
Continue on. Speed bird 4200.
Passing 10,000 feet.
Lights off.
Up.
The captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. You may now take off your seatbelt. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now serving drinks.
Speedbird 4200. Contact approach on 124.17.
124.17, Speedbird 4200. Approach, Speedbird 4200 with you, passing flight level 120 for flight level 140.
Speedbird 4200. Continue via the BIR Golf 6 Charlie. Expect ILS approach runway 04 right. Transition MUS.
Continue by BIR Golf 6 Charlie. Expect ILS approach runway 04 right. Transition MUS. Speedbird 4200. Request 04 left. Speedbird 4200.
Speedbird 4200. Continue via the BIR Golf 6 Charlie. Expect ILS approach runway 04 left. Transition MUS.
Continue by BIR Golf 6 Charlie. Expect ILS approach runway 04 left. Transition MUS. Speedbird 4200.
Descent to flight level 100.
Descent to flight level 100. Speedbird 4200.
Okay, let's go through the descent preparation checklist.
Speedbird 4200. Continue via the BIR Golf 6 Charlie. Descent to flight level 100.
Continue by BIR Golf 6 Charlie. Descent to flight level 100. Speedbird 4200.
03.
Expect ILS approach runway 04 left easy 4967.
Descent to 4000. QNH 1003. Maintain 200 knots.
Descent to 4000. Speed 200. Speedbird 4200.
Ryanair 8393. Contact website control. Over to 160. Designate 1. Ryanair 8393. Good.
On.
NTI.
Off.
Landing information.
Received.
Altimeter.
Standard.
Baro radio.
Set.
Checklist
Initiating descent.
Speedbird 4200. Descent to 4000. QNH 1003. Cleared ILS approach runway 04 left.
Descent to 4000. Cleared ILS approach runway 04 left. Speedbird 4200.
East departure Pacifica 961. Pacifica 961.
Localizer alive.
Baro reference set and cross-check. 1012.
1012. Jack slope is captured. Localizer is captured.
Accommodated, 3 can taxi forward, and after the departure 767 line up 27 right, follow us 75 onto the runway. Echo 132, 8 miles out, 27 left.
Gear down.
Ladies and gentlemen, we
Gear
are
down.
about to land. Please remain seated until we have stopped.
Checklist complete.
Speed 984 Golf after United 747 departs to line up 27 right.
984 Golf after the United 74, line up.
Alexander 243, the British Airways Concorde to come down your left hand side after Concorde departs line up 27 right.
400. 300, 100 above.
Auto flight off.
200 minimum.
Continue.
100. 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, retard, 5.
Transponders.
What a landing.
Speedbird 4200, gauges left. Contact ground on 121 distance 77. 121.77, Speedbird 4200.
Please
5646,
until the
hold your
aircraft
position.
comes
Holding our
to
position,
complete stop.
5646.
Check.
Radar tilt.
5646,
Zero,
continue
reference
descent.
set and
Roger,
cross.
5646.
103.
1003.
Airbus Golf Echo Uniform X-Ray Golf, taxi to 8 Bravo 18 via taxiway Foxtrot 1 Foxtrot.
APU is on.
After landing checklist.
Exterior lights.
Checked.
Transponders.
Set off.
Engine mode selector.
Checked. Normal.
Flaps.
Checked. Retractor. Checked. Standby. Checked.
APU. Checklist complete.
Eurowings 030, monitor 121.7. Delta 647, first right, hold short contact tower on 1181. Delta 664. Fit 6.
It was a nice flight, so let's do the parking checklist and then we are done for the day.
Parking brake and shocks.
And the chocks are set. Parking brake released.
Engine master.
Both off.
Seatbelt signs.
Set off.
Beacon lights.
Set off.
Exterior lights.
Set off.
Anti-ice.
Off.
For my info, you have been given next runway 24.
Yes, that's right.
Set off.
No need for that anymore, the normal length is available.